Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel A² Maths Academy. Today we will discuss about long questions of circuits. So most important questions we will discuss today. Now let us start the class. Before going to starting the class, I request you all, please subscribe to our channel A² Maths Academy. Okay, now let us start the class. See here, మనకు మేజర్గా సర్కిల్స్ నుంచి 41 మార్క్స్ వస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి ఏపీ కానీ తెలంగాణలో కానీ టీఎస్ బిఐ కానీ ఏపీ బిఐ కానీ చేంజ్ చేసిన సిలబస్ ప్రకారం మ్యాక్సిమం క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇందులోకి వెళ్ళి వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. కాకపోతే సరిగ్గా వస్తాయా అని డౌట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమైందంటే కంప్లీట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవే రావచ్చు, లేదంటే ఇదే మోడల్లో ఉన్న క్వశ్చన్స్ మాత్రం రావచ్చు. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఒక 4-5 ఉంటాయి ఇందులో ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. అన్ని 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్దాం అనుకోండి, అర్థమైన వాళ్ళకు బోర్ అని ఫీల్ అవుతుంది. ఆటోమేటిక్గా టైం కూడా ఎక్కువ తీసుకుంటుంది, అనవసరంగా టైం ఎక్కువ తీసుకునే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి దాని నుంచి మనం చేంజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి ప్రతి ప్రాబ్లమ్ని కొన్ని మెథడ్స్గా డివైడ్ చేసి చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, ఆ 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా సేమ్ మెథడ్లో ఉంటే ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. ఆ ప్రాబ్లం ప్రకారం ఆ 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో అనవసరంగా టైం వేస్ట్ చేసే కన్నా మేజర్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ మీద కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేయండి, మంచి మార్కులు తెచ్చుకునే అవకాశం ఉన్నది. ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ 3 చాప్టర్స్ మన తెలంగాణలో అయితే తెలంగాణ బిఐ వారు రిలీజ్ చేసిన మోడల్ పేపర్ ప్రకారం ఓన్లీ 3 చాప్టర్స్తోనే మనకు 75 మార్క్స్ తెచ్చుకునే అవకాశం ఉంది. ఎందులో అంటే సర్కిల్స్ ఒక చాప్టర్, తర్వాత సిస్టమ్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్స్ అండ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్స్. ఈ 3 చాప్టర్స్ చూసుకుంటే మనకు ఆటోమేటిక్గా కంప్లీట్గా 75కి 75 తెచ్చుకునే అవకాశం ఉంది మనకు. అంటే వేరే ఏ చాప్టర్స్ చూసుకోకుండా కానీ ఓన్లీ 3 చాప్టర్స్తోని, మ్యాథ్స్ ఏలో ఓన్లీ 4 చాప్టర్స్తోని ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనకి 75కి 75 తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. 5 చాప్టర్స్తోని 75 తెచ్చుకునే అవకాశం ఉంది. ఇక్కడ అంటే మనకు మ్యాథ్స్ ఏలో ఏంటంటే మనకు కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్, నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్, థియరీ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్, అట్ ది సేమ్ టైం ర్యాండమ్ వేరియబుల్స్ అండ్ ప్రాబిలిటీ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్, పర్మిటేషన్స్ అండ్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఆల్సో. ఒక ఈ 5 చాప్టర్ చూసుకుంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ మనకి అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ కవర్ అవుతాయి. వెరీ షార్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ 10 కవర్ అవుతాయి, షార్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ 5 కవర్ అవుతాయి, ఇంకెక్కువ కవర్ అవుతాయి, తక్కువేం కాదు. లాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్ కూడా కవర్ అవుతాయి. సో 75 మార్క్స్ మనకి ఈజీగా తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు సమయం దృష్ట్యా నేనేం చెప్తానంటే మేజర్గా అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కాకుండా ఇంపార్టెంట్ వైజ్గా ఒక టాపిక్స్ డివైడ్ చేసుకొని ఆ టాపిక్లో 1 ప్రాబ్లం చెప్తుంది, దాని ప్రకారం మిగతా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నిటి కూడా చేసుకునే విధంగా చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, సో నౌ లెట్ us స్టార్ట్ ది క్లాస్. రైట్, సియర్ అంటే ఇదే మెథడ్ ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఒక 5 ఉన్నాయి. అయితే ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ 2,1, 5,5, -6,7. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఏమన్నాడు, పాసింగ్ త్రూ ది 3 పాయింట్స్ అన్నాడు. అంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా సర్కిల్ అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసే సర్కిల్ అనేది ఈ 3 పాయింట్స్ గుండా వెళ్తుంది అని చెప్తున్నాడు. అంటే మనకు కామన్గా సర్కిల్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే ఇలా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సర్కిల్ పై ఏ పాయింట్, బి పాయింట్, ఇలా సి పాయింట్ ఉంది అనుకుందాం. ఇక్కడ సెంటర్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ పాయింట్ ఏ, ఇది బి, ఇది సి అనుకుంటే ఏబిసి అనమాట. ప్రాసెస్తోది పాయింట్ ఏ, బి అండ్ సి. ఓకేనా, ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఈ సర్కిల్ యొక్క ఈక్వేషన్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఆ సర్కిల్ అనేది ఏబిసి గుండా వెళ్తే అలా ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, సో వి నో ద స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్మ్. ఇది గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి మనం. ది స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్మ్, ది required equation I will write here. Required equation of the circle. The equation of the circle. Okay, so what is the equation here? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals 0. So this is the ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్. ఓకేనా, నా రిక్వైర్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ అంటున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది మనకు కావాల్సిన ఈక్వేషన్. కానీ మనకు ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది ఈ పాయింట్ కూడా వెళ్తుందని చెప్పాను కదా, పాస్ వస్తుంది 3 points here. Clear? So first one we write here, equation number 1 passes through the point A of 2, 1 we take here. First point 2, 1, second point 5, 5, third point -6, 7. Okay na? Right. సో 2, 1 గుండా వెళ్తుంది కాబట్టి x ప్లేస్లో 2ని y ప్లేస్లో 1ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ అనుకోండి, ఈక్వేషన్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలి. సో వి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ దట్ పాయింట్ హియర్. 2 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2g ఆఫ్ 2 ప్లస్ 2f ఆఫ్ 1 ప్లస్ c ఈక్వల్స్ 0 వి గెట్ హియర్. సో 4, 2 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 4 అవుతుంది, ప్లస్ 1 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 1 ప్లస్ 4g plus 2f plus c equals 0. Okay, so 4g plus 2f plus c, 4 plus 1 5 is equal 0. This is equation number 2. Okay, so we get the equation that passes through the 2, 1. Okay, so next again we take here one more time, equation number 1 passes to the second point also. So 3 points are there. So first point we got here this equation. Second passes second equation. What we get here? It passes to the point of 5, 5. 5, 5. So B of 5, 5 passes through B of 5, 5. X value 5 substitute, y value also 5. Okay. So 5 square 25, directly I will write it, 5 square, y square again 25 plus 2g of 5 plus 2f of 5 plus c equal 0. Okay, so 2 into 5, that is 10, 2 into 5 10, so 25 plus 25 50. So we get the equation like this here, 10g plus 10f plus c plus 50 is equal 0. This is equation number 3. Okay, so one more point also there, that is nothing but -6, 7. So I will substitute that point in equation number 1. So equation number 1 passes through c of -6, 7. So -6 whole square, that is 36, plus 7 whole square 49, plus 2 into -6, -12 we get here, -12g, direct I will write here, plus 2 into f, 2f into y value 7, so 2 into 7 14f we get here, plus c equals 0. So that implies -12g. So total values take that c, we get here 12g plus 4f, so -4f, sorry, -4f minus c. So see here, 49 plus 36, 49 plus 36 is 9 plus 6, 15, 5, 15. Next 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 85 is equals to 0. We get it. This is equation number 4. Equation number 4. Okay. So minus 12g, take that side, we get here plus 14, minus 14, sorry, minus 14f. Plus c, take the side minus c, and 49 plus 36, that is nothing but 85. 9 plus 6, 15. So 5 plus 3, 8. So minus 85 we get it. This is equation number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 we got here. Okay. So then after what we do? We find out the G, F and C. G, F and C. How to find out here? We are solving these 3 equations. And 2, 3, 4 ne 4 equations. 3 equations వచ్చినాయి. 2, 3, 4. సో ఈ 3 ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచి మనకు G, F, C వస్తుంది. ఆ వాల్యూస్ ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి మనకు కావాల్సిన ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే. సో హౌ టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ వన్? సి హియర్. Here minus c is there, here plus c is there, here also plus c is there. So we are solving these 2 equations. So we get here, what we get here? See here, Okay, so on solving 2 and 4, first of all 2 and 4 we solve here. Okay, what we get is C here. Okay, so see here 4G plus 2F plus C plus 5 is equal 0, and next one 12G minus 14F minus C minus 85 is equal 0. So minus C plus C both are cancelled. We are adding that one. Okay, so 12 plus 4 16G minus 12F minus 80 equal 0 we get here. Okay now, so here 4 take common, 4 ones are, so 4 fours are, 4 threes are, 4 20s are. So 4G minus 3F minus 20 equals 0. So this is equation number 5. Okay, equation number 5 we get here. Right? So then after on solving 3 and 4 now. So 2 and 4 completed, 3 and 4 now. Okay, on solving 2 and 4. So what we get here? See here. What is 2? Again same equation 3 and 4. Not 2 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay. So third equation this is 10G plus 10F plus C plus 50 that equals 0, and 12G minus 14F minus C minus 85 is equal 0. So again we are adding this one here, minus C plus C both are cancelled. So 12 22 G we get here minus 4F minus 35 we get here is equal 0. So this is equation number 6. Okay, so here equation number 4, equation 5 and 6 values are observed here. 4G plus 3F, 22G minus 4F is there. So here in terms of G and F values are there only. So we are solving these two equations. We get the values of G comma F. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ G comma F లోనే ఉన్నది, ఇక్కడ G comma F లోనే ఉన్నది. C వెళ్ళిపోయింది, రిమూవ్ అయిపోయింది ఆల్రెడీ. కాబట్టి G comma F వాల్యూస్ రావాలి అంటే ఈ రెండింటి సాల్వ్ చేస్తే అటు G comma F వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. ఓకే, సో హౌ టు సాల్వ్ C here? On solving 5 and 6. Okay, so how to solve C here? Minus 3 minus 20, minus 3 minus 20, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 we write here. Same here also minus 4. First of all we write here F coefficient, then after constant, then after G, and again F coefficient. Okay, so this is the G value, this is the F value, this is constant value 1. Okay, so now G by minus into minus plus 35 5 is a, so 5 3 is a 15, so 3 3 is a 9, 9 plus 1 10, so plus 105 we get here. So in this direction we take here minus actually, so minus into minus plus here we get here, so 24 is a 80, so plus 80, so plus into minus minus, so minus 80 we get here. So next same F by multiplication of this one here, 20 into 22. So before minus is there, minus I will write here. 20 22 440. So again we write here minus. So 4 into 35. So minus is there. So again minus is there. So 4 into 35. 35 4s are. So 5 4s are 20. 4 is a 12. 12 plus 2 14. So 140 we get here. Actually minus 140 we get here. So again already minus is there. So minus into minus plus we write here. And minus to multiplication కాబట్టి. So next same process, constant by, here constant is there, constant value 1 we take in here, 4 into 4 16 minus 16 minus, so in this direction we take here minus, so again but here minus we get here minus 66, minus into minus plus 66 we get here. Okay, so here G by how much here? 105 minus 80, so minus 25, so plus 25. So F by minus 440 plus 140. So we get here minus 300. Minus 300. Okay, so next that equals to 1 by 66 minus 6 16. So 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 1 5. So 5 we get here. Okay, so here G by 25 equals to F by minus 300 equals to 1 by 50 we get here. Okay, now so here constant value is there. So 25 G by 25 is equals to 1 by 50 we take here. So what we get here, 25 1. So that implies G value we get here 1 by 2. Okay, G value 1 by 2 we got here. So thereafter F value, so F by minus 300 is equals to 1 by 50. 1 by 50. Okay, so what we get is 0 0 cancel, 5 1s are 5 6 are. So that implies F by minus 6 equals to 1 we get here. So F by minus 6 equals to 1, that implies F equals to we get here minus 6. F equals to minus 6, G equals to 1 we get 1 by 2, and find out the value of C now. So from equation number 5 or 6, take any equation, we get the value of C. Okay, sorry, we take a here second, third, fourth. Take any equation, not here 5 and 6. Here only G, F values are there. So 2, 3, 4. Take any equation of 2, 3, 4. We get the value of C. Okay, so we take for second equation. From second equation, from 2, 4G plus 2F plus C plus 5 equals 0. 4G, 4 into G, how much G? 1 by 2. Next, plus 2 into F, plus 2 into F value minus 6. Next, plus C as it is, plus 5 also as it is, equals to 0. So 2 ones are 2, 2s are we get here. So 2 into 1, 2 minus 12 plus C plus 5 is equals to 0 we get here. Okay, na? So what we get here? C, 2 plus 5, 7. 7 minus 12 minus 5 we get here. Okay, 7 minus 12, so minus 5 plus C equals 0. Therefore C equals to 5 we get here. So we got here all values here. Observe the equation here. So in this equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. So that is the actually required equation. In this equation, these are the constant terms here, g, f and c. So we got here g, f, c. G value is nothing but 1 by 2, f value minus 6 and c value 5. So when we are substituting these values, then we get the required equation. So how to substitute c here? So I will write here. So now finally required equation is, so when we are substituting g comma f comma values, g, f, c values in equation 1, substitute these values here. Substitute g comma f comma c values in equation 1. So what we get here? See here. Directly I will write it. X square plus y square plus 2gx, g value 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled, we get here x only plus x. Okay. Next, f equals to minus 6. When we are substituting here minus 6, what we get here? 2 into minus 6, minus 12 we get here, minus 12y. And plus c value, what is c value? C value is nothing but 5. So plus 5 is equals to 0. Be the required equation. Required equation. Okay. So this is the equation of the circle. Equation of the circle. Okay. So how to find out here? Once again I will explain this one. So same type of problems also there. So remaining 5 problems also important. So in this case, here given 3 points here. First of all, we have to take here equation of the general form of the circle. What is the general form here? That is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. So then after here 3 points are given here. When you are substituting 3 points in equation 1, we get 3 equations. So then after we are solving these 3 equations, we get two more equations here. When we are solving 2, 3, 4, we get here 2 more equations in terms of g and f. So then after these 2 equations solving here, we get the values of g comma f. Okay, g comma f values. Then after, how to find out C value? We are substituting G comma F values in equation 2 or 3 or 4. Take any equation, we get the value of C. So then after, we have to substitute here G, F and C values in equation 1. We get the equation. Okay. So this is the method of finding the circle equation having 3 points. Okay. So same type of problems also there. This is also most important problem, and some more problems also there on this method. So you have to practice that one. You get the good marks. Okay. Right. Next question. Same type of question, but small difference is there. Okay. See here. Show that the points 1 comma 1, minus 6 comma 0, minus 2 comma 2 and minus 2 comma minus 8 are concyclic, and find the equation of the circle on which the lie. Okay, so manaku equation of the circle find out ఏమంటున్నాడు, అవి concyclic అని చూపించున్నాడు. అంటే suppose we have to write here A, B, C and D. So they are concyclic. So they are lying on the circle like this here. They are in the concyclic. Okay. అంటే మనకి 4 points అనేటి ఆటోమేటిక్ concyclic అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. At the same time, equation of the circle also we find out here. Okay. So see here. First of all, here we know the general form of circle equation. I will write here. So what is the general form here? The equation, the required equation or the general equation of the circle. General equation of the circle is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So this is equation number 1. Okay. So next here 4 points are concyclic, then they are lying on the circle. Then we are substituting this point. Then we get the satisfy the equation. So when we are substituting, these are points in this equation, then satisfy the equation. Okay. So that's why here 1 comma 1 we take here 1 comma 1 lies on the circle. Okay, 1 comma 1 lies on the circle. Then what we get here? 1 plus 2g plus 2f plus c equals 0. Same as it is in last problem also, same we have to use that method now. Okay, అంటే 3 పాయింట్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనకు ఏం ఎలా చేసిన ఇంతకుముందు ప్రాబ్లంలో సేమ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా 4 పాయింట్స్ అన్ని కాన్సైక్లిక్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలంటే ఈ 3 పాయింట్స్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనకు ఈక్వేషన్ ఫామ్ చేస్తాయి. ఆ ఈక్వేషన్ని 4th పాయింట్ సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తే దే ఆర్ కాన్సైక్లిక్. ఓకేనా, అంటే మనకి ఇంత 3 పాయింట్స్ నుంచి ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చేసింది సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఆ ఈక్వేషన్ని 4th పాయింట్ అనేది సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తే, సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే, సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తే then they are concyclic. Okay, so see here, అంటే మనకి ఫస్ట్ 2g plus 2f plus c plus 2 equals 0. This is equation number 2 from first point. Second point, so 6 comma 0 lies on equation 1. Okay, then what we get here? Again we substitute directly. Minus 6 whole square 36 plus 0 square 0, 2gx, that is nothing but 2 into minus 6 minus 12g. So remaining this value 0 plus c is equals to 0. So minus 12g plus c plus 36 equals 0. This is equation number 3. Okay, so take one more point, that is minus 2 comma 2. So when we are substituting that value here, so minus 2 comma 2 also lies on equation 1. So what we get here? Minus 2 whole square 4 plus 2 whole square 4 plus 2 into minus 2g, that is nothing but minus 4g plus 2 into f into y, so 2 into 2 4f plus c equals 0. So what we get here? Minus 4g plus 4f plus c plus 8 equals 0. So this is equation number 4. Okay, so see, observe this one here. Here G is there. So minus 12G plus C plus 36. So when we are solving these two equations, what we get here? So we get here equation in terms of G comma F. Again we are solving these two equations. So we get here in terms of G comma F. Take any one. So either we take these two equations or these two equations. Any two equations we get in terms of G comma F only. Okay. So now I remove this one. Now from 2 and 3, from 2 and 3 I will take here these two equations. Okay. So what we get here? 2G plus 2F plus C plus 2 equal 0, and minus 12G plus 0 plus C minus plus 36 is equals 0. So plus C minus C, so that's why we are changing signs here like this here, minus minus minus. Okay, so plus 12 plus 2 14G we get here. So plus C minus C cancel, so plus 2F plus 0, that is nothing plus 2F as it is, minus 36 plus 2 minus 34 equals 0 we get here. So we are taking common 2 7s are, so 2 1s are, 2 17s are equal 0. So this is equation number 5. Equation number 5 we get here. Okay. So in terms of G comma F we get here. So then after we are solving these two equations 3 and 4. From 3 and 4, what we get here? 3 and 4. So again minus 12G plus C plus 36 equals 0. Next minus 4G plus 4F plus C plus 8 equals 0. So again here sign change here, plus C is there, so minus plus we get here. So minus 12G plus 4G minus 8G we get here. So there are no F terms here, directly we have to write minus 4F as it is. So plus C minus C cancel. So remaining minus plus 36 minus 8, that is nothing but plus 28 equal 0. Okay, so 4 take common here, 4 7s are 28. So 4 2s are, so that's why take out minus 4. What we get here? Plus 2G plus F minus 7 equal 0. This is equation number 6. Okay, so we got here in terms of G comma F and G comma F. When we are solving these two equations, what we get here? On solving 5 and 6, we get the values of G comma F. Okay, so how to solve here? In last, so we have to write now Day's theory. Directly we solve here. How to solve here? Plus F is there. So directly we write here 7G plus F minus 17 equals 0. Next 2G plus F minus 7 equals 0. So when we are changing signs here like this here, what we get here? Plus F minus F cancel, 7 minus 2 5G. So plus 7 minus 17 plus 17, so plus 7, so minus 10 we get here equals 0. Now 5G minus 10 equals 0, so G equals to, so 5G equals to 10, so that implies G equals to 2. So G equals to 2 we get here, okay na? G equals to 2. And next from equation number 5, from 5, what we have now? 7G plus F minus 17 equals 0. 7G plus F minus 17 equals to 0. Now we substitute G value, that is 2. So 7 into 2 plus F minus 17 equals 0. 7 into 2 is nothing but 14. Directly I will write here. So 14 plus F minus 17 equals 0. That implies what we get here? 17 minus 17 plus 14 minus 3. So F minus 3 equals 0. So that implies F equals to 3. So F equals 3 we got here. F equals to 3. So then after we are substituting G comma F value in equation number 2 or 3 or 4. Okay. So we are substituting in equation number 3. From 3. What is 3? Minus 12G plus C plus 36. Only we have to substitute here G value. Minus 12G plus C plus 36 equals 0. Okay. So what we get here? Minus 12 into G. What is G? G value 2. So minus 24 we get here. Plus C plus 36 equals 0. So that implies what we get here? 36 minus 24. What we get is 6 minus 4. 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So 12 we get here, plus 12 equals to 0. So that's why we get here C equals to minus 12. Okay. So on substituting these values here, in first equation. What is first equation? Required equation. This is. Okay. So what we get here? X square plus y square. 2gx, g value 2. So 2 into 2, 4x. So next 2fy, that is 6y plus c minus 12 equals 0. This is the required equation. Okay. So here one more point also there, that is minus 2 comma minus 8. So minus 2 comma minus 8 then satisfy the equation that points, these 4 points are consecutive. Otherwise they are not consecutive. Okay. So we are substituting here. Suppose D point we have to write here minus 2 comma minus 8 lies on the equation of circle, then they are consecutive. Okay. So we have to verify that is. Okay na? Ante how to verify is here. Suppose we have to lies on this equation, then they are consecutive. Okay. So first of all, verify this. Minus 2 whole square 4, minus 8 whole square 64. So 8x. So sorry, minus 8 minus 16 into, so 6 8 is 48 minus 12 we get here. That equals to 0 is there, 0 is this. Suppose 0 equals 0 we get here, that is satisfy the equation here. So 68 here plus 68 minus, so 2 10, 10 plus 8 18. So 68. So 0 equals 0 we get here. 0 equals 0. So satisfy the equation. So that's why 4 points are concyclic. Therefore given 4 points are concyclic. So what is the equation of the circle? That is nothing but this is the equation of the circle, required equation of the circle. This is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 2 equals 0 is the required equation of the circle. So then after they are concyclic or not. So first of all we substitute fourth point in the required equation, then satisfy the equation. So they are concyclic. Okay na? So this is one more type of long question, most important this one. Okay. Right. Next one. This is also most important problem in the chapter circles. So same type of question, but we find out the value of C. Okay. So here given points, these are 2 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 4 comma 5 and 0 comma C. These are the 4 points, they are concyclic. Then find the value of C. Okay. So given that A of 2 comma 0, B of 0 comma 1, C of 4 comma 5, C. These are the 4 points. These are the 4 points on the circle. Okay. So required equation I will write here. Required equation of the circle. Required equation of the circle. Okay. What we get here? That is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. So this is equation number 1. Okay. So first point here, A of 2 comma 0 lies on equation 1. Okay, why? Because they are concyclic. Kabatti automatically equation lo substitute cheste satisfy chestadi. So 2 plus 2 square is nothing but 4. 2 square 4 plus y 0 square 0 plus 2 into g into x 2 into 4x 2 into f into y value 0. So 2f we get here. So 2f into y, that is 0 we get here. Plus c equals 0. So we get here 4x plus c plus 4 is equal 0. So this is equation number 2. Sorry, 4g, not x 4g. Okay na, 4g. ఎందుకంటే మనకు x value గా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాల్సింది x, y value. So 4g plus c plus 4 equals 0. Next same equation here we get here, like b of 0 comma 1 lies on equation 1. What we get here? We get here like this here. So we substitute here 0 square 0 plus 1 square 1 plus 2 into g into x, that is 0. So x value 0, that's why. Plus 2 into f into y value 1. So 2f plus c equal 0. So 2f plus c plus 1 equal 0. This is equation number 3. Okay. Next we take here one more point, that is 4 comma 5. So c of 4 comma 5 lies on equation 1. So what we get here, we are substituting here x square, 4 square 16, 5 square 25 plus 2 into g into x, 2 into 4 8x. So 2 into f into y, 2 into 5 10y plus c equal 0. So we get here 8x plus 10y plus c plus 5 plus 6 11, so 41 is equal 0. So this is equation number 4. So again we got here 3 equations. Okay, so by applying the condition of concyclic. Okay, so we get the g comma f values. How to get here g comma f values? Here observe this one, 4g plus c plus 4 is there. Here 2f plus c plus 1 is there. So when we are solving these two equations, we get here g and f values. Here also here 8g 10f 8g 10f. Okay, so 8g 10f clear. So we are substituting x values here, 8g, so 2 into 2 4 8g, so 2 into 5 10f plus c, so 8g plus 10f plus c plus 41 equals 0. So we are solving these two equations, any two equations, same type of method we are applying. So on solving, so I will write here, on solving 2 and 3. So what we get is 2 and 3. So 2 is nothing but 4g plus c plus 4 equals 0, and 3 2f plus c plus 1 equals 0. So both are having same signs, that's why minus minus minus. So minus c plus c cancel, 4g minus 2f minus, so plus 3 equals 0. So this is equation number 5. So 4g minus 2f plus 3 equals 0. So again we are solving 3 and 4. On solving 3 and 4, what we get here, 3 and 4. So 3 is nothing but 2f plus c plus 1 equals 0, and 4 8g plus 10f plus c plus 41 equals 0. So again plus minus 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 minus, symbols are changed here, plus 3 minus c cancel. So remaining here 8g minus 8g as it is. So minus 10f plus c2f minus 8f. So minus 40 equals 0. So take comma minus 8, we get here g plus f plus 5. 8 5 is 40. Okay, so this is equation number 6. So on solving these two equations, we get the values of g comma f values. Okay, so on solving 5 and 6, what we get here? See, there are no values here, common values. That's why we have to use here fraction method like that here. So that is nothing but minus 2, 3, 4 and minus 2. Here 1, 5, 1, 1. Okay, so 1, 5, 1, 1. So g value, this is f value, this is constant value. So g by minus 10 minus 3, f by 3 minus 20. So 1 by 4 into 1 4 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. So minus already is there. So minus into minus plus 2 we get here. Okay. So what we get here? So g value we get here. So what is the value of g? G by minus 13 equals to 1 by 6. So that implies what we get here? G equals to minus 13 by 6 we get here. G value this is. So f value, what is f value? F is nothing but, so f by minus 17 is equals to 1 by 6. That implies f equals to minus 17 by 6. Okay, so from take any equation of 2 or 3. So we are taking 2 equation or 3 equations. So from 3 equation, so simple values are there, 2f plus c plus 1. So that's why we take this equation. So 2f, 2 into f minus 17 by 6 plus c as it is. plus 1 is equal 0. Plus 1 equal 0. Okay. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. So minus 17 by 3 plus C plus 1 is equal 0. So that's why we get here C equals to 1, sorry, plus 17 by 3 minus 1. That is nothing but 17 minus 3 by 3. That is 14 by 3 we get here C value. So C equals to 14 by 3. Clear? So now we find out the value of C point here, 0 comma C point here. Clear? So we get the value of G. So we get the value of C. That is 14 comma 14 by 3. So see here we get the equation of the circle. The required equation is nothing but the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx. G value 13. So minus 2. So plus 2 of minus 13 by 6 into x plus 2 into f value minus 17 by 6 into y plus 13. So 14 by 3 equal 0. So that is the equation of the circle. Clear? So take LCM. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 3 is the LCM. So what we get is 3x square plus 3y square minus 13x minus 17y plus 14 equals 0. So we get the equation of the circle. This is the equation of the circle. So when we take here fourth point, what is fourth point here? 0 comma C is the fourth point here. So 4 points are collinear, concyclic here. 4 points are concyclic. Then fourth point substituting this equation, then satisfy the equation. Okay. So that's what we get here. So 0 comma C lies on above equation. Okay. So what we get here? 3 into 0. 0 comma C is there. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into C square, 3C square. Next, minus 13 into 0, 0. Minus 17 into C, 17C. Plus 14 is equals to 0 we get here. So we get a quadratic equation in terms of C. 3C square minus 17C plus 14 equals 0. Okay. So 14 3s are 14 3s are 42. 14C minus C we write here. Minus 14C minus C. Minus 14C minus 13C. Minus 14 minus 13 is nothing but minus 17 we get here. And 14C minus 3C we get here. So take common here 3C. What we get here? So take common C. 3C minus 14 we get here. Take common 1. 3C minus 14. Okay. And C minus 1 into roots are like this here. C minus 1 into 3C minus 14 we get here. That equals 0. So that's what we get here. C minus 1 into 3C minus 14 equals 0. Then C value is nothing but C equals to 1 we get here. And 3C equals to 14, C equals to 14 by 3. So C equals to 14 by 3 or C equals to 1 we get here. Already one point is there 0 comma 1. So 0 and 1, 0 and C. So 0 comma 1 point already we got here, this point here. So remaining C value is nothing but 14 by 3. So 0 comma 14 by 3. So C value is nothing but 14 by 3. Okay. So this is most important problem. So we have to use here C minus 1 into 3C minus 14 equals 0. We get the values of C equals to 1 and 14 by 3. C values are 14 by 3 and 1 also. So already this point is there. So 0 comma 1. So that's why we don't take here 1 value as a C. So what about C? Here C value remaining we have only 14 by 3. Clear? So that is the value of C. Okay na? The C equals to 1 already manaku vachesindam. Endukante already point undi C 0 comma 1. So 0 comma 14 by 3 will be existed. Okay, and C value ఏమవుతుంది 14 by 3. Okay.